So we're at the Utopia Garden. So it's like 500 yen to get in. And basically, it's a nice, you see, greenhouse. So let's go in and see what they have. Little banana trees. Look at these bananas on here. Wow. And these trees are humongous. Easily 10 feet tall, maybe even more. Let me get a close up of those bananas. All right. And we swing around here. I don't know if the camera can catch all of it. Oh my goodness, it's hot in here too. My goodness. All right, okay. We'll keep going as we pass through these banana leaves. They're humongous. All of them at least 7, 8 to 10 feet tall. Okay, more bananas. All right, it's actually very nice. And take a little shot back from the entrance where we came in into the glass, this glass house here. I think I've been this close up. Well, maybe on a banana tree, but you know, little small stubby bananas as well. All right, so we'll keep going. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, perfect little area here for like a wedding or something. Okay, they are just hanging down. I'm 6'5", so I'm literally bent over trying to get through here. Okay, call these dwarf banana. All right, so sign there. And more bananas. And more banana trees all throughout here. Cool. All right, so go on and see which way. All right, we're out of the first greenhouse. Call it a glass house. Okay, it's a greenhouse. And we're moving on. What are these? Hibiscus. Okay, I don't know my flowers. That's pretty obvious. Yeah, what type of, what are these right here? Hibiscus. Oh, I called it. All right. Are those peppers or something growing there? Oh, this thing, look, we're like literally like right up on this stuff here, okay? All right, and they're literally hanging as low as, I don't know, maybe 4.5 feet. We're gonna go this way. And I don't know what this is. Okay. It is hot. Yeah. Okay. We're headed in here, and I'm told these are mangoes, so apple mangoes. All right. I don't think I've ever seen mangoes actually growing. I just in the grocery store maybe, but yeah, look at them. And so they have to wire them to hold them up. I guess they're so heavy. but they wire the stems to hold the mangoes up. So that is probably a lot of work for someone to do. Okay. Now I don't even know what's that aluminum foil? Is that to kind of keep the bugs away? Okay. Wow. Look here. All right. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. Look how close I am to this mango. And they're as far as the eye can see. So this is where you get your mango. There's a little dessert shop inside that sells a lot of mango flavored type ice cream and desserts, smoothies. So we'll try that after this is over. Look at her. Obviously, I am too tall to do this work. Okay. But the guy or the lady or the person who has to string all of these up, they got their work cut out for them. Huh? There's literally a string for every mango. Yeah. Okay. So if you've never been to a mango farm, this is what you're seeing live on the tubes. Okay. At the Utopia Farm. Okay. All right. So we're back. And we're going to continue. We just left out of that greenhouse there with mangoes. And we're heading in this direction. All right. Again, hibiscus. And you can see, like, literally, you can just get right up on these things here. Okay. It's a entire row of these things. Okay. All right, more mangoes here. You can see that they're not as far along as the first greenhouse. In fact, they're referred to them as apple mangoes. So there's some information in Japanese for you. Hit Google Translate, and it should give you all of the information you need there. So yeah, I looked up some of this on the Google Translate. It says this extra large green mango has a higher sugar content than the Irvin variety and ripens after being picked. All right, so it is, the acidity level is about 0.26. The fruit weighs about 1,300 grams. And yeah, so green, yellow, green, fresh, orange, yellow, mango. And okay. All right, we're moving. Looks like we're heading into a hibiscus greenhouse. All hibiscus, huh? Yeah, those are interesting trees there. They're all a heart. Yeah, I see that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. They're all trimmed like a heart. All right, let me go through here. We're in the hibiscus greenhouse, and I am sort of bent over getting this video for you. All right, hope you're enjoying it. All right, okay, I'm out of there. So what do they call these here? What do they call these? Dragon fruit. Oh, okay. Yes. Dragon fruit. That looks kind of, I don't know. Is that what it is? That's what it says. Where's the fruit? Must be there somewhere. Oh, okay. All right. Cool. All right, we're in a different greenhouse. So I think it's called, what is it, blueberry? Okay. All right, yep, let's see here. There's a sign here. Bougainvillea. All right, there you go. And yes, there's a lot of those. Look, I'm saying if you're tall, this is probably better to come in here on some rolling chair or something. I don't know. I've been bent over like since I've been in here, basically. Okay, this is nice though. Really glad we were able to stop here. Pretty cool. Let's just bench out here. You can just chill out, take it all in. Oh, that's pretty cool. Somebody took some leaves and made it into a heart shape, huh? Yeah. Really nice. Really nice. Okay. Okay, so here we are, passion fruit. Get you a closer look at some passion fruit. Okay, there's one on the ground there. All right, there we go, some more passion fruit. Some additional information on passion fruit there. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're just kind of moving through here. You know, and it's interesting, like each one of the flowers or plants here, they do have information on it. It's actually, you know, in Japanese, of course, but you know, you can see that. So if you're like me, you don't really know the plants and you want to maybe learn a little bit more about them, there's certainly an opportunity for that here. In a different greenhouse, a different area. I'm just kind of following the arrows to kind of make my way through here. But definitely worth 500 yen. It's about $3. So definitely worth that to stroll through here, especially if you love this, you know, type of scenery and discovery. of various plant life. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so passing through another area here. Guess you can have a little seating area set up here, which is nice. If you want to just sort of take it in, grab you a cool drink or some ice cream and just hang out here. They've set that up for you. All right.